Hi, this is Jennifer Marquis, the Distance Education Coordinator at Nash Community College. This is the first video tutorial of our Designing Online Instruction in Moodle course at Nash Community College. We're going to get started by clicking on the Internet, and we're going to go to our school's website, nashcc.edu, and from there we can click on the Moodle link at the top right, and we can log in. Our username is our first initial, middle initial, last name, and last three numbers of our ID number. Password is our 6-digit birth date, which we will change in one of our upcoming sessions. Now once we log in, typically you will see as a user over here on the right where it says course categories on my screen, you will probably see something that says courses. You will click on the course name Designing Online Instruction in Moodle. I don't do that because I'm the administrator and I have way too many courses, so I'm going to go in a different way real quick. But you would just click on the name of the course over there on your right. Now once you do that, you'll be logged into our course. And so today we're just going to do a little bit of work learning how to navigate the site, and we're going to update our profile as well. Now this is my course that you are enrolled in, and so you will be participating in my course as a student. Next week I will be setting you up with your own course as an instructor, so you will have a course shell of your very own so that you can start editing and adding content as I teach you how. So for this week we're just going to do a few things within my course. So one of them is to view this tutorial so you can learn how to navigate around. The first thing I want to show you is in the center. This is where all the course content goes in a Moodle course. The top section is called the General section, and this is where I would put a big welcome. I would put my course resources such as a syllabus, my announcements, and just those general pieces of information that students would need to have access to all the time. Underneath that is my first week of instruction, and that's what we're going to be doing this week. So each week you'll be adding a new week of instruction. So for this week, I have put some text up here for you to read, and these are the week 1 resources. These are the things that you need to view each week so that you can learn how to use Moodle. I'll have documents, I'll have videos, all kinds of different resources here so that you can learn how to use Moodle. And underneath that is week 1 assignments. These are the things that you need to do in order to have a grade. So as you click on these, you will have instructions on how to submit your assignments. This week, all you need to do is introductions, which is a forum. You can see this little forum icon, and create your profile, which I will show you how to do in a moment. Before we do that though, I want to show you these blocks on the side. These blocks are some of your controls for how you're going to control your course in Moodle. I have a messaging block, I have my settings block, and the student, you won't see all of these things because I'm the instructor in this course. You will just see a couple of things in the settings block when you're logged into my course as a student. Nonetheless, these are all the blocks on the side. They can be moved and they can also be docked. And this is important. If you want to dock your blocks, these little icons up in the top right hand corner of each block will move them, and it'll pop them up here to the side. That gives you more space to work within your course. And some people just like to have their docks blocked over here on the side. But don't forget, if you do dock them, don't forget they're over there, because it's easy to panic when you don't see your blocks if you're used to seeing them. You can move them back by clicking here, and it'll undock them and put them back as a block. Also, if you want to undock all of them all at once, you can click here and it'll move all of them back over. You also can hover over each one to see what's inside and actually use some of the functions within. We're going to learn what all these things mean as we continue on in the course. But for today, I just want you to know about docking and undocking, and I have just undocked all of them. In addition, as students navigate within the course, if they click on something to participate, like the Introductions forum here, it'll bring me to the page where I can read and add my new discussion topic to participate in the forum. But it's important to know how to get back to the course page. So the quickest and easiest way for me to get back to the course page is to follow the breadcrumbs. This little trail up here at the top will take you back to your course. So right now it shows that we're in Introductions, we're in Topic 1, and here's my course name. If I click on my course name, I will come right back to my course. So that is how I navigate within Moodle using the breadcrumbs. Okay, there's a calendar feature. You will be able to choose the type of blocks that you want within your course as we go along.